is known as Survivor Community Response. During an emergency, it is only the survivor can help themselves, especially in the first day of the siege, like what happened in Marawi. During the emergency in Marawi, the people of the community looking for their relatives, neighbors to go with them, we realized that the most appropriate approach that we are going to use during an emergency is an SLR approach. Survivor can help themselves. Kaya ko sinusuportahan ang SLR dahil naniniwala ako na ang mga taong survivor ay may kakayahan para tulungan ang kanilang mga sarili.
Nung nagkanda kami ng SLR dito, yung mga volunteers, nagkaroon kami ng hope. Pwede pala kami bumangon ulit katulad ng dati. Down na kami. Yung parang naghintay lang kami ng kung ano yung relief na darating dito. Yung pagdating ng mga volunteers, tinuruan nila kami, in-encourage. Pwede pala kami bumangon ng kahit kami lang. Maganda rin yung impact sa amin. Bumalik yung friendship, yung relationship ng mga kakapitbahay, kaming community.
The concept of SLR is very important to empower the people, to empower the community, to provide a venue among the victims of conflict, but the survivor of conflict, for them also to be heard, their voice, their sentiment, and of course their grievances, to involve the community in participatory action planning, and not only in planning but also in the implementation.
Sa aming grupo na rescue team ay nagkaroon kami ng pagkakaisa. At saka, pagsasalamuha sa isa't isa. Survivor kami na kaya namin bumangon. Sa kaming grupo, ang isa sa amin, nagbibigay ng mga idea para sa tindahan.
Sometimes, we believe that the solution is coming from us. But through SLR approach, we are practicing ourselves to listen to the people, to listen to the people feelings, wants, needs, in terms of addressing the grievances emotionally and physically.
Nung dumating itong mga volunteer sa may barangay po, nagpapasalamat po kami sa kanila kasi nabigyan nila kami ng idea kung paano ulit magbuhay. Kami ang gumawa. Binigyan kami ng mga ibang grupo, may iba-ibang skills. Parang ito na dapat ang idea na gawin natin. Hindi tayo aasa sa iba pa na maghihintay tayo. Hindi araw-araw na nandyan ba yung tumutulong sa atin. Ang kailangan po yung idea ng paano ka mabuhay.
The people accompany themselves, the IDP themselves have helped one another. Nobody knows the problem of the community. They have to build up their capacity according to the approach. It is the values of Maranao, especially in the Marawi siege, that the Maranao values conjoined to the survivor-led response approach, the so-called kapamagadata, respect. We have to respect the survivor. And second, we have the so-called katetabanga, means help one another, either financial or moral. And likewise also the kapamagugupa. It is common to every one of us that to reach out the community, we need the voice of the survivor. Until now, they are continuing to work together, and for that, they have seen a very greater impact on the community.
Tulad ng program namin na cleaning buong barangay. Pwede din namin yun gawin kahit wala yung mga volunteers na dumating dito. Parang ang saya-saya namin, naglinis kami ng sabay-sabay, may picture taking, may mga seniors na kung hindi nila kayang magwalis, sige, ikaw na lang yung magdano ng snacks. Parang happiness. Para sa amin, happiness yun. Habang nagtitipon-tipon kami, nagkaroon din kami ng idea kung paano kami kikita at the same time, by collecting of ideas, gawa tayo ng ganito para matuto kayo. Pwede tayo magkaroon ng hanap buhay by making this thing as a symbol of encouragement sa isa't isa. Hindi hanggang dito lang. Nagsisimula pa lang kami.
We have an opportunity for a good governance. And of course, forming them into self-help group, so CCLR is the most appropriate solution to the problem of any disasters.
Bago namin buuin ang grupo na ito. So, nandun po yung unity namin, pagkakaisa nila, at nandun po rin yung tiwala namin sa isa't isa. Sobrang-sobra po nakatulong sa amin dahil may mga nagkakasakit na mga bata na nakukuha namin na isalba. Karami sa kanila is senior citizen at saka mga illiterate na tao mandatory to, right? Pero nagpapasalamat pa rin ako dahil sila po ang nagbigay sa amin ng inspiration para buuin pa ang grupo. Patuloy pa rin namin na ginagawa yung business namin, livelihood namin. Dahil alam namin na yun lang ang dapat namin pagkakakitaan sa grupo. Tiwala sa isa't isa para survive kami. Nandun po yung pagkakaisa namin para malimot namin yung mga trahedya na nagaganap sa during the marriage. Nagkaroon ng lakas ng loob na mabigyan ng buhay ulit.
SLR approach must be supported by all local, national, international, non-government organizations for us to have a harmonious relationship and of course to live in peace and prosperity.